Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Julia, aka The Mug Life. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm really glad to have you. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm really glad that you are watching my video and just supporting my new channel. I'm having so much fun just crafting and doing what I love, decorating on a super small budget. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I just love connecting with other stay-at-home moms who are later on in their momhood, or even if you're just someone who just loves crafting. I love commenting, talking, and just connecting with other people, and it's just been such a blast doing this. Today I created 2 fall pieces for you in my home decor. The style is just kind of my style, a little bit bright colored, bohemian, farmhouse, modern, all jammed together. I hope you guys will like it, and maybe you already have these Dollar Tree items and you can make this piece for your home too. So stay tuned and see what I do with a couple of items that I put together. Thanks guys for watching. We're gonna dive right in, guys, for this first project, Dollar Tree DIY. You're gonna wanna grab 3 of these wooden pumpkin blocks, doesn't matter what color. Sand down the front section and paint them. I chose a plum color, but you could choose whatever color works with your fall decor. Then I also painted the small harvest sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree and glued all 3 of my pumpkins together. I use hot glue, but as I have mentioned before, I don't use E6000 because it gives me a migraine. And you're gonna want to dab the glue along the metal accent and glue it onto the center portion of your 3 pumpkins. And of course, I had to dry brush a little bit of a white accent just to make my plum color pop. I also added Dollar Tree lace trim to all 3 of the top portions of my pumpkins. I did take the raffia ribbons off, and I will probably be using them later on in another project. And here is project 2. This is a combination of a Hobby Lobby upcycle and a Dollar Tree DIY. If you didn't watch my previous Hobby Lobby haul, you wouldn't recognize the sign that I'm going to redo, but I'll have that linked below. And I grabbed 2 of these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted 2 different colors. I ripped off the front little burlap section and painted them in the colors that go with my theme. It was a purple and a gold, and I just added paint liberally to both of these sections and added a little bit of detail touch with gold, brown, white, and just went with it. As you can see here, I am just adding a little bit of a white accent, and I am blending my colors together. I have a little bit of gray to my brush, and here I'm actually adding a touch of the burnt umber. Now I'm going right into adding raffia ribbon to both of my pumpkin stems. I did a cute little knot right up top on my purple one, and also decided I wanted to add a different flare, which you will see what I do next. And the flare is a raffia tassel. I made this one exactly like you would make any other tassel and added it to my purple pumpkin. Now here is my Hobby Lobby pallet sign that I paid $2 for. It's a huge sign, and I knew I could redo it because it was wood. I didn't have any gray paint, if you can tell right here, but if you have a chalk gray paint, I've seen them in some really beautiful colors, go ahead and paint those colors. I am a super messy painter. I love blending colors together and seeing the mixture and the different colors overtake each other. So this is just a fast forward of my messy process when I paint. And you can see I'm just adding colors as I go. I'm also painting the sides of my palette sign, and right here I'm adding some texture by using an old wash rag that I paint with and dabbing on the colors just to give it a textured, fun color to my wood. Now this is one of my favorite techniques that I haven't done in years. I was actually reminded of it from another creator on YouTube. Said that they had never seen this done before, but you just take Mod Podge and you paint over whatever surface you want to do, and then you add cinnamon on top of it, and it gives it a faux rust appearance. I went ahead and painted mine a dark brown, and then I actually added my rust cinnamon over top and glued it down to my palette sign. Here I am gluing down my pumpkins, my feathers, and a little bit of my grass, and I wanted one of my pumpkins to stand out. So I used the Dollar Tree wooden, I believe they're Jenga blocks or tower building blocks, whatever they call them, to give it a three-dimensional effect, and glued that down. And you can see I'm just kind of placing what I thought would look right. Here is my project number 1, the Dollar Tree items. I did change out the bottom legs. I wanted the natural to match the lace that I put up at the top of my pumpkins, and I absolutely love this piece. This is one of my new favorites. I can put it anywhere in my home in fall decor, and I just think it really pops with my decor pieces. Here is my second project, and I could not believe how adorable this project even turned out. It literally cost me less than $8 to make this whole sign, and it really looks like a piece that you would buy somewhere else at some other decor shop. I had so much fun making this boho farmhouse fall piece, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video in this tutorial. And be sure to comment, subscribe, tell me which piece was your favorite, and I would just love to get to know you. And stay tuned for my next video, which is a DIY painting project collab that I will be posting this Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.